Hey guys, welcome to freepcfixdepot.com, or if you're watching this through my YouTube, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install and use Spybot Search and Destroy. It's a good spyware cleaner, cleans spyware, malware, adware, and such. It also blocks known bad sites and sticks them in your host file in your Windows directory, which is really good. This is one of the main reasons why I use it, the immunization feature. But anyway, let's get to it. You can go ahead and go to my site, http://freepcfixdepot.com. Here you can find a link called Spybot Search and Destroy. Go ahead and click on that and follow the link and download it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna run it here. Okay, and once it comes up, just next all the way through. Basically accept the agreement, hit next, choose a folder to install it. I'll just keep the default. Mine already exists because I already had it and I deleted it, but I'm gonna reinstall here just to show you guys. Anyways, click yes. Just basically next all the way through. There's one thing I don't really like, is the T timer. I always uncheck it. It's kind of like the UAC controls on Windows Vista or 7. You'll continuously get some annoying pop-up. I don't think it's necessary. You can turn it on if you want, but I'll disable it. I only care about getting rid of spyware at the time I want to get rid of it. So we'll go ahead and install. It's gonna go out to the internet and try to download any updates if there are any. It looks like they found an 8 meg file update, so let it download. Alright, it's finished downloading. Go ahead and install. Now you can go ahead and install this Security Center integration and activate it if you want, or you don't have to. It's basically the Security Center in Windows that comes with Windows Vista, Windows 7, I think. It'll just say, you know, if it's missing or not, and if you want to have it show up there. You know, it's not necessary, but you can leave it. It's not bad to not have it either. Okay, legal stuff. Once it installs, you can create a registry backup if you want. I've never really had to do this. I've never had problems with Spybot, but if you really want to do a registry backup, you could go ahead and create one just to be sure in case something happens. Then you can go back and fix it, but 99% of the time I never do it, and I've never had problems with it. I'll usually just skip all the way through. But anyways, we'll just next all the way through and start using the program, and then we can go ahead and start from step 1. Now once we have it installed, you always want to search for updates first. You click on search for updates, pick a mirror that's closest to your region. I always like to I'm in California. I always like to use Giganet. Seems pretty fast. TDS seems okay, but Giganet I always use. I don't need this T timer update, and just hit download. If there's any pop-ups, hit OK, get rid of them. Okay, done easy. So we did the update. Next step is to immunize. So block all the naughty sites. What you do is just hit immunize once you get to there. Mine's pretty much up to date, but what you'll see if you have never done this before, a bunch of stuff here show up in red when you first click immunize, and then after that you hit immunize again to be at this stage here. So so remember, update and then immunize, and then after that is search and destroy and check for problems. And you might get this to get rid of temporary files. Why not? Let's get rid of them. And it should start scanning. You can see down here that it's running bot check and it's going. This might take a while for me. I have a pretty large hard drive, so depending on how much data you guys have. This will take a while, so I'm gonna let this go, pause this screen capture, and then I'll be back when it's done. Alright, looks like it's finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and expand this. There we go. Oops. So as you can see, it found 37 problems. Doesn't mean you'll see 37 red problems here, but each entry has its own cookie or whatever it is. So I didn't realize I had so much stuff here. Wow, porn pop up. Jeez. Okay. Anyway, once you get to this point, go ahead and fix selected problems, and it'll go ahead and get rid of all that stuff. And when you see a green check mark here, it means you're good to go. Sometimes you may get a pop-up that says you need a reboot for it to finish working. I would go ahead and reboot when you have free time, and it'll automatically run Spybot before Windows comes up, and go ahead and clear everything out and then resume. So just be on the lookout for that. Anyhow, once you do fix, you're pretty much finished, and the next time you use this program, remember always to update first, immunize second, and then scan. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave me a comment or whatever, or visit my website, check it out, and send me an email. And that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later.